Hi guys! So today I'm back with another mukbang video. I'm going to be eating Chinese food. I got sesame chicken, and I know it looks kind of weird because it's just the chicken and fried rice, but I got the sauce on the side because I was driving and I didn't want it to be really soggy. I also got an order of wings too. And, oh no, I ordered some cherry sauce, but they didn't give it to me. That's okay. I'm also gonna be drinking some Doritos lime flavored. This stuff, it's delicious. Okay. So here's the sesame sauce. It has little sesame seeds, and I also got a hot and sour soup. It comes with the meal, and that's right here. Oh yeah, and an egg roll. Pop this little bad boy open too as well. And this is my little sweet little egg roll. Yummy. Yummy food. I'm so hungry. So let's just get right into it. Oh, here's my baggie that comes with my utensils. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try the rice first. Pretty standard. So how y'all been? In a couple of weeks, I'm going on a cruise, so I'm really excited about it. And we'll talk more about that in just a minute. I'm so hungry. The sauce is it's not as tangy as I want it to be, but that's okay. Better than nothing. I'm just eating and I don't even know where to go. Let's try this hot and sour soup. Pretty good flavor. Needs a little bit more vinegar though. Oh yeah. Chicken wing. Let's try out these. I usually eat the sweet and sour sauce and dip it with this, but this is fine. Oh yeah. Hot. So hot. Oh my goodness. Do you like drums or flats better? Me, I love flats. So this is just what I cling to. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So hungry. So yeah, going on vacation. We'll be headed off in a week and a half. Oh, 2 weeks. I just spilled some sauce all over there. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So the only cruise line that we've ever been on is Carnival. But we enjoyed ourselves. We've never been on the cruise ship that we're going on this time. But yeah, Carnival's awesome. And cruising's fun too. Mmm. Let's try this egg roll. I ate it with duck sauce. Everything's nice and hot. This is a new restaurant that I'm trying out. It's not too far from my house. Mmm. I like that. Mmm. Oh my goodness. That egg roll is really good. I think it's just a vegetable egg roll. I'm just eating everything. I'm just eating everything. Here's my sesame chicken in the sauce. There it goes. Mm. So good. Mm-hmm. Let's get another wing in here. They're hot. Everything is so fresh. Which I like, obviously. But it just takes longer to eat. Mm-hmm. Mm. Finger licking good. I love duck sauce. Who doesn't love duck sauce? It's like apricot. Not like real duck sauce. Not like real duck. However, if you ever eat Peking duck, that sauce, the real sauce that's braised from the duck, that stuff's delicious. Eat it with your rice. Oh my gosh. The only thing I'm totally feeling like I'm missing out on is broccoli that comes with sesame chicken. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but it's okay. Move all this mess out the way. There you go. Does that look a little bit better? Everything is just all in to-go containers for me. Now I'm getting full. So I might eat a little bit more. Crispy. So good. Okay. I am done with that. I need one more bite of this egg roll. It's so fab. I might as well finish it now. Oh my gosh. Duck sauce, egg roll, last bite. The ends are the best part, right? The most crispiest. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm so full. Can't eat no more. Thank you so much for watching. And until the next video, you be good. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.